Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I make this beige colour out of polymer clays. You can also use the same base colours to make this one here, which is a little bit more of a light skin tone, but I'm making mushrooms and this is going to be the bottom of the mushroom. The clay that I'm using for this is Sculpey Primo, but you can really make this with any coloured polymer clay. Alright, so we need 4 colours. We need whites, cobalt blue, cadmium red, and cadmium yellow. I don't really measure how much I need of each. I just kind of go by eye. I know some people do, but I don't really have a reason why I don't do it. I guess it's just not really my style. You're going to need mostly white, so get a huge chunk of white. For the blue, really, really tiny amount. See how small that is? That's all you're going to need. Next, you want a much larger chunk of yellow. And then somewhere between the yellow and the blue is the size of the red that you're going to need. So in order of size, you're going to want a massive chunk of white, then yellow, then red, then blue is the smallest. It's really easy to add too much color, so you're best off starting with smaller pieces than you think you need and then just adding more if you need more. Then just go right ahead and start blending that up. Okay, so this is what I've got. Honestly, it's pretty close for a first attempt. But compared to the original piece, I can see that I've added a little bit too much red. So I'm going to add a little bit more yellow and I'm going to add some more whites. This is how much yellow I'm adding. Not a lot, just a little piece. And then quite a large chunk of white. Then get mixing. And that is how I make that light beige skin tone color. As I said though, I'm making mushrooms, so I'm going to be turning this into this even lighter color here. To do that, I'm adding a lot more yellow and a lot more white. Now go ahead and just start blending that up again. As it gets to about here, I can see I haven't added enough white, so I'm going to stop and add more whites. You really do need mostly white for this. I definitely underestimated the amount of white that I needed. What I should have done was break down the beige into like a smaller section and added mostly white and then added more beige as I needed. After the original piece of white that I added, I ended up adding white another 6 more times. Plus, I broke the piece down into an even smaller piece because it was just ending up being way too massive. So that just shows you how much white you need. Plus, I also added a little piece of yellow at the end here as well to make it a little bit more yellow. Alright, so here we are at our final colour. It's pretty much spot on to the colour I was trying to colour match it to. If anything, it could go more white, but it doesn't need to be a perfect colour match because I'm starting a new project. And here are all the extra pieces that I cut off because it was getting way too big to put through the pasta machine. This is a perfect example of what I meant at the start when I said it's easy to add too much colour and you should start with less colour. I didn't do that. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you want me to show you how to mix up any other colors. Bye!